Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into the same Apple ID and iCloud on both devices, and the HomePod Mini must be on the same Wi-Fi network. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your Mac and update Mac OS and HomePod firmware so features like handoff and AirPlay work reliably. Once done, open System Settings, go to Sound, and have the Home app ready. This ensures the Mac can discover the HomePod Mini during the pairing flow. On your Mac, choose the AirPlay or Sound Control in Control Center and look for the HomePod Mini. Select it as the output device. This routes system audio to the speaker. If you have two HomePod Minis, pick stereo pairing in the Home app for fuller sound. Then open System Settings Sound Output to confirm sample rate and balance, and enable personal requests if you want messages and reminders through HomePod. These steps keep audio quality and privacy settings correct. Finish by testing audio. Play music or a system's sound and control volume from the Mac or HomePod. You can also ask Siri to confirm voice control. Use the Home app to rename or relocate the HomePod Mini so AirPlay finds it faster. If playback fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart both the Mac and the HomePod, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and sign out and back into iCloud on the Mac. That usually resolves discovery and pairing glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.